Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another wig install from Amazon. Today I am wearing the BLY Wear and Go Glueless Human Hair wig. This wig is pre-plucked. It is a 4x6 HD transparent pre-cut lace wig and the texture is a deep wave. Now this wig is 100% glueless and 100% secure, and I know you guys see those beautiful highlights. They are ombre chestnut brown to honey blonde highlight, and I have it in 24 inches. So right now I'm just giving you guys a close-up of that texture. The texture is really pretty. Remember, it is a deep wave texture. And here is a close-up of the lace. The lace does come pre-plucked. It also comes pre-cut for you. And I did not have to do any bleaching. I left the wig as is. The inside of the wig has the adjustable straps, and it is a dome cap wig, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna give you guys some more close-ups of the inside of the wig as well as the lace and things like that. So the dome cap wig is a lot more comfortable. It's also a lot more breathable and stretchy, and then you have that adjustable elastic band. So for my girlies who may be worried that your head is a little bit too big or too small, the adjustable elastic band helps you to be able to fit the wig how you need it to fit on your head, okay? So it's made to be suitable for any and everybody. And remember, I did not do any plucking, I did not do any bleaching, I did not cut the lace. Like, this is a straight out the box wig install. So as you guys saw, the first thing that I did was just add some makeup on the lace. The reason why is because I want the lace to blend in a little bit more with my skin color. And then I'm going to use my wax stick and my hot comb just to make sure that there is no hair in my face whatsoever, while I attempt to add a little bit more foundation right at the tippy edge of the lace, and you guys will see how quickly it disappears. Alright, so here we go. I'm just going to clip some of the hair back, and I'm going to add a little bit more foundation right at the edge of that lace, and you guys, look, it's literally disappearing, okay? We are just doing this to make sure that the edges of the lace match with my skin color. That is super important, and that is how you get that flawless melt look. And remember, we did not use any product whatsoever to secure this lace down, so yeah, this is a good one. So now I'm just using my wax stick, and I'm gonna go in with my hot comb once more because I like to make sure that the top of my wig is laying as flat as possible. Now normally I have to part it and go wax stick, hot comb, part it again, wax stick, hot comb. I actually did not have to do that with this particular unit because the way that it was sewn very well so that there was not too much hair at the very top. That way it doesn't look like I'm wearing a helmet on my head. So I was thankful for that. So I only briefly had to use the wax stick and the hot comb. Then I'm going to add some makeup to that middle part, and whenever you're adding makeup to the parting section of your wig unit, you want to make sure you're going in with a little bit of a lighter foundation because naturally your scalp is a lot lighter than your skin color, so just keep that in mind. Alright, install is 100% complete, so let's go ahead and style the rest of the hair. So I'm going to go one section at a time. I'm going to show you guys how easy this is. Now this is a deep wave texture, and whenever it comes to deep wave, I do not like that clumpy look because I want the hair to look as full as possible. So I personally like to separate the hair, that way it looks like it's very, very full. Not too full, but you guys know what I mean. So the first thing that you want to do is just add some water on the hair. I am eventually going to split it up into two sections. I do not recommend detangling or combing your deep wave or curly wig units while it is dry. I feel like that's very damaging to the hair, and naturally I am a natural, so I always work with wet hair, so I do the same thing with my wig units. Once you have the hair fully drenched, you can go in with the detangling brush, you could finger detangle, or you could go in with a Denman brush once the hair is already fully detangled like I will in a few. The Denman brush is a styling brush and is very useful when it comes to deep wave units or your curly wig units. units. So I will be using that to help me define the curls, and the product that I will be using is just a little bit of gel today. I'm also going to scrunch up the curls later on, and that's how I get that curl pattern to really pop afterwards, okay? So it's pretty easy to watch, so I'm gonna let you guys watch, but I do just want to talk about the hair quality in itself. The hair quality was really, really good. I did not have excessive tangling. I did not have excessive shedding. I found that the hair was very easy to work with. I also really loved the highlights, and I loved how even with this method that I'm using, I was still able to get the curls to pop. This is a deep wave texture, so it's not too curly, but I do feel like the highlights really just help make the hair pop in general. So in my personal opinion, I feel like this is a really good wig to have for all of my beginners out there, or even if you're not a beginner and you just want to have options. I love Wear and Go glueless wigs. I feel like they're very convenient. You can switch out your wig units whenever you choose to, and also this is a Amazon store, so it is very affordable for you guys. So I would definitely check them out if you are interested. And whenever it comes to deep wave units, you want to make sure that they are very reasonable as far as installing and stuff like that. You don't want to do too much work. So this wig is definitely a great option for you guys to check out. So make sure you check out the description box down below. But I'm going to go ahead and repeat this method on all of the other sections as well, and I will come back towards the end. Alright, so now I'm just adding a little bit more of that gel right to the very top just to get rid of any flyaways or anything like that and make sure the hair is looking very polished, which she is. It looks really, really, really pretty while it is wet. Now, if you like the wet look, you can add a little bit more product, but if you wanted to dry and still have some volume like me, you're just going to leave it as it is. You can use a blow dryer. I recommend cool air, but if you do use heat, then definitely like warm air, and just try not to mess with the hair too much so that it doesn't frizz up. But this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and you saw how easy it was. The hair is definitely beautiful. The highlights definitely pop, and this is a good option to all my girlies who want a curly wig unit but not too curly. This texture deep wave is for you. Make sure you guys check out the description box down below. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.